The sun peeked over the horizon, painting the rolling fields of Farmer McGregor's land in hues of gold. Adam, a freckled boy of 10, with a straw hat perched jauntily on his head, emerged from the farmhouse, stretching his arms wide. The air hummed with the symphony of a rooster's crow and birdsong. His day began with the comforting lowing of cows in the barn. He tossed hay into their trough, their wet noses nudging his hand in thanks. A flurry of clucking chickens followed as he scattered grain, their frantic pecking a cheerful rhythm. A mischievous goat, Billy, peered over the fence, his eyes glinting with playful curiosity. After breakfast, Adam brushed Bella, his chestnut mare. Bella whinnied softly, her breath warm against his cheek. He swung onto her back, the leather creaking a familiar sound. They galloped across the fields, a vibrant green carpet stretching before them. The wind whipped through his hair as he laughed, the sun a warm embrace on his face. It was a perfect day, until he spotted Billy. The goat was happily munching on Grandma McGregor's prize-winning cabbages. "Billy, no!" Adam cried, his voice sharp with alarm. A comical chase ensued. Billy, nimble and quick, darted between the rows of vegetables, his hooves thudding on the soft earth. Adam, determined, pursued him, his laughter mixing with his calls of protest. He finally outwitted Billy, luring him back to his pen with a handful of clover. The goat, easily swayed by the sweet treat, trotted obediently back, his mischievous escapade forgotten. As the sun began its descent, painting the sky in shades of pink and orange, Adam sat on the wooden fence, watching the farm bathed in the warm evening light. The cows were contentedly chewing their cud, the chickens settled in their coop, and Billy, safely tucked in his pen, seemed to be dreaming of his next adventure. Adam smiled, a deep sense of satisfaction warming him from the inside out. He'd faced a challenge, and he'd overcome it. He was, after all, a real farmer, and this was his peaceful, fulfilling life.